Unlock the full potential of your Lovable project by learning how to seamlessly integrate its generated code into your workflow and beyond. First, locate the specific code block or snippet that Lovable has generated for your project. This is usually found within a designated output area or a downloadable file. After you've finalized your initial setup, browse to the folder where Lovable saved its generated files. You'll typically find a primary file or a set of files containing the core code you'll be working with. Open this file using your preferred code editor. This could be Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, Atom, or any other tool you're comfortable using for programming. Now, identify the specific functions, variables, or configurations within the code that you wish to adapt or extend. Understanding the purpose of these elements is key to successful integration. Carefully copy the relevant sections of the Lovable code. Be mindful of the syntax and ensure you're capturing the complete functional unit you intend to use. Paste the copied code into your existing project or a new file where you want to leverage its functionality. Make sure to place it within the appropriate structural context of your project. Begin customizing. This might involve changing variable values, adjusting parameters, or calling the functions you've integrated with your own project's logic. Test thoroughly. Run your project and verify that the integrated Lovable code is functioning as expected and enhancing your application's capabilities. For advanced extension, consider how this code can interact with external APIs, databases, or other frameworks. This might involve writing wrapper functions or creating new modules that utilize the Lovable code. By following these steps, you're not just using generated code, you're actively building upon it, transforming your project into a more dynamic and powerful solution.